Hey everybody, welcome back. This is the best channel for some quick grammar drills. And today's topic is the present simple passive and the past simple passive. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm David Sugarman, and today we're taking your understanding of the passive voice one step further. Present simple passive and past simple passive. We'll learn how to talk about what happens or what happened without always saying who did it. So, what is the passive voice? We use the passive voice when the action is more important than the person doing it. And the structure is subject plus verb to be plus past participle. In other words, verb 3. Here's an example. We have an active sentence. Take a look. They deliver packages every day. Well, let's put the focus on the packages and go to passive. Now we have packages are delivered every day. Remember, packages is plural, followed by verb, which is with an R, plus verb 3, delivered. Take a note, write this down in your notebook. We use the present simple passive for routines, facts, and regular actions. And the structure is am, is, are, plus verb 3. Again, it's am, is, are, plus the verb 3. Here's an example. Active sentence. They deliver packages to this office every day. That's an active sentence. And passive is like this. Packages. Now we have to find the verb for the be form. Packages are delivered to this office every day. Remember, focus on what happens regularly. Here is a passive versus active table just for you. Tense, present passive. It's am, is, are plus the verb 3. Example, packages are delivered every day. The meaning, it happens regularly. Let's go to past passive. We use was and we use were plus the verb 3. And now we're going to say packages were delivered yesterday. And that happened before now. So again, I put at the bottom there a couple photos with example sentences. Here are some more examples. Emails are sent every morning. This is present and it's routine. The meeting was held last week. That's past and completed. The report is written by the manager. This is present and ongoing. The documents were signed yesterday. This happened in the past and it's completed. Now let's practice to change to passive. So get yourself a pen or pencil in your notebook and change these sentences to passive. And I want you to write them down, and then I want you to say them out loud, your answers. Number 1, they send invoices every month. Okay? Write down your answer. Number 2, someone cleans the office on Fridays. Write down your answers. Number 3, they repaired the car last night. Write down your answer. 4, a chef prepares the food here. Write down your answer. And number 5, they built this bridge in 2008. Write down your answer. So since you wrote down your answers, now we can check and you can repeat the sentence after me. Here is the answer key. Number 1, invoices are sent every month. Say it. Excellent job. Number 2, you're going to say this after me. The office is cleaned on Fridays. Say it. Number 3, the car was repaired last night. Say it. Number 4, the food is prepared by a chef. Say it after me. Number 5, the bridge was built in 2008. Say it. Notice how the time tells you which form to use. The are, the is for present, and the was and the were for past. Here are some common mistakes that people make. I want us to fix them. So it says, the bridge built in 2008. We want to say, the bridge was built in 2008. Emails send every morning. Emails are sent every morning. Important. Always include the verb to be. Sometimes people forget this. Now we're going to be doing the drill, the directions. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb. So you can get out a pen or pencil and notebook and write down your answers. And from there, we'll continue. Number 1, this house sell last month. What do you think the answer is? Try to write it down. So the answer is, this house was sold last month. Number 2, coffee grow in many tropical countries. So we know that this is a general statement. We want to say that coffee is grown in many tropical countries. Number 3, the old bridge repair in 2015. So we have 2015, it's the past. And we want to say that the old bridge was repaired in 2015. Number 4, English speak in many countries around the world. This is a general statement. We want to say that English is spoken in many countries around the world. Number 5, the books delivered yesterday. Well, we have yesterday, which is past simple. We know that it's finished. And the books are in plural form. So we want to say the books were delivered yesterday. Let's continue. Remember, everybody, you can go to davidenglish.info to do more exercises on this subject. Number 6, this project complete on time every year. So it's every year. This means this is something that happens like on a routine basis. And we want to say that this project is completed on time every year. And it's one project. Number 7, the Mona Lisa paint by Leonardo da Vinci. So we know that this is historical. This happened in the past. We want to say that the Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. Number 8, The new store opened next week. So it's next week. What do you think the answer is? I haven't taught you this yet, but what we're going to say is the new store will be opened next week. That's the future. Number 9, computers used in many offices. Well, this is a general statement, and we're going to say that computers are used in many offices because computers is plural. So therefore, we're going to use the word are plus the verb 3. Number 10, the documents signed last Friday. Documents, what do you think? It's plural. We're in the past. What are you going to say? That's right. The documents were signed last Friday. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to rephrase the sentence into passive form. This is a little bit harder, but I know you can do it. Number 11, the chef prepares the meals. So now I want you to put the focus on the meals. And what you want to say is that the meals are prepared by the chef. Number 12, the mechanic fixed the car. I want you to put the focus on the car. You want to say that the car was fixed by the mechanic. Let's go to number 13. They publish the magazine every month. So now we're going to put the focus on the magazine. The magazine is published every month. Let's go to 14. The company hired many new employees. So now we're going to talk about new employees in the beginning. Many new employees were hired by the company. And number 15, the police arrested the suspect yesterday. Now I want you to put the focus on the suspect. And you want to tell me about the suspect. The suspect was arrested by the police yesterday. You're doing so great. We got another 5 and then you're done. Again, what we're doing right now is we're rephrasing the sentence into passive form. You can go to davidenglish.info to do more. Number 16, the director will announce the winners. Now I want you to put the focus on the winners. The answer is the winners will be announced by the director. And remember this, that's future. I'm putting that in there just to confuse you a little bit. Number 17, the artist painted a beautiful mural. Now I want you to put the focus on a beautiful mural. A beautiful mural was painted by the artist. Now I want to go to number 18. Scientists discovered a new species. So now we're going to go and put the focus on what? That's right, a new species. And tell me about this new species. A new species was discovered by scientists. Number 19, the team won the championship. Now I want you to put the focus on the championship. The championship was won by the team. And let's go to number 20, the last one. They deliver the packages every morning. So this is something permanent. And now I want you to put the focus on the packages. So we want to say is that the packages are delivered every morning. Wow, what an amazing job you did. And now go to davidenglish.info to do more exercises. So now I want you to try to think about events that are occurring or have occurred with emphasis on the objects involved and write down your examples in the comments. I just want you to say, if you want to do more practice, I would stop the video and repeat these out loud. You read out the answer key and just repeat them out loud, read them out loud. The more you do, the better you're going to get. And same for this slide as well. Pause the video and read out your answers. I just want to say thank you again for coming to the David English Academy. You're doing great. You're going to have more videos soon. And if you want more information, you can go to davidenglish.info. Bye for now.